The Oppo Find N5, or, as we know, eventually going to become the OnePlus Open 2, is going to be the first IP69 rated foldable phone. I say 6.9, by the way, if you don't know what that means. 6 is dust resistance, but 9 is the biggest thing possible. So most times when you think of IP ratings, for most cell phones, if not all, other than like really heavy duty ones, you're going to see IPX8, okay? 8 is not 9, obviously. 8 is water resistant. So usually what it means is IP8 is just up to a certain, whatever the manufacturer dictates is reasonable for the device. Usually it's like up to 5 meters for 30 minutes, right? It's water resistant. It's not waterproof. The 9 is waterproof. So anything from 1 to 8 is water resistant. Obviously, the higher the number, the better it gets. The Surface Duo 2, when that came out, it had IPX1, which was a huge thing. A 1 is just pretty much it can survive a rainstorm. As long as the phone is vertical and water doesn't get in its ports, it'll be okay. A 9 is waterproof, which this means, in theory, you could throw this into a bottom of a lake and water should not get inside the device, which is insane. I never thought we'd see a foldable phone with IPX9. Now the 6 is just dust resistant. So obviously if the phone's waterproof, there's going to be a pretty good dust resistance with it too, because there's no open ports. There's no way to get inside the phone for particles from the dust or particles from water to get inside the phone. So I gotta say, Oppo, they always find a way to kill this. They always find a way to absolutely take over the industry. They're doing it yet again. And I'm highly surprised that this is actually happening, but shout out to them. Truly shout out to them for one of the most interesting breakthroughs here to get a foldable cell phone with IPX9. I keep saying X9 even though it's 6.9 because I'm talking about the water resistant version. Dust resistance not as crazy, but still it's really cool. Most foldable phone doesn't have dust resistance. But not only is the Oppo Find N5 or OnePlus Open 2 going to have wireless charging, which the first one did not, it's also going to have the IP69 rating, which it's waterproof. It's absolutely waterproof. It's not like, oh, you can only use it up to a certain amount of water for this certain amount of time. No, this is fully waterproof. Not water resistant, waterproof, which, whew. This is going to be this is pushing the future too, because now every foldable cell phone is going to have to get into this perspective. This is going to be the new norm. Is getting the IPX9 rating. And now that, regular cell phones, like foldable cell phones have this, normal candy bar cell phones are going to have to start adopting this. Especially because, like, hey, if you can get this on a foldable cell phone, this should be on every other cell phone included. Doesn't matter what the cell phone is. It should have the IPX9 rating, which, again, waterproofness, you're not going to have to worry about your phone breaking because of water. That is insane. I know I'm just blown away that this is actually a reality. I was not expecting Oppo to, or any company. I mean, if I had to expect one company to do it, it would have been Oppo, because Oppo is truly that advanced when it comes to the stuff they release. Again, they're the first company to truly take care of the crease down the middle of these foldable cell phones. While Samsung tried and other companies tried and they failed, Oppo was like, hey, listen, we know how to do this, and here you go. Samsung never really truly caught on, but still, just beyond amazed that this is real life right now. But guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. The future is going to be so bright for these foldable cell phones, especially with what is being added. Peace out.